and welcome back to Garfin's Creation. Today we'll be making some healthy veg Sooji pancakes, also called as breakfast pancakes. I have made this fluffy Sooji pancakes in this mini uttapam pan. You can also make these in small frying pans as well. This is a nice product. It has a good depth and can use for many recipes. To make this healthy and easy recipe, I have taken half a cup of curds that is at room temperature. I'll just add it to a mixing bowl and whisk it a bit. Whisking the curds will make it smooth and lump free. Once this is done, I'll be adding 1 cup of Sooji, also called as Rawa or Semolina. Mix both the ingredients together, and to this I'll be adding 1 cup of room temperature water. I will now mix this well till I get a nice smooth batter. You can make changes to this recipe to make it non-veg too. If you are non-vegetarian, you can add fried bacon or even chicken cold cuts into this. I have stirred this for a few minutes and now it is lump free. We will cover and let it rest for at least 20 minutes. During this time, the Rawa will soak up the liquid and get a little bit thicker. After 20 minutes, you can see the Rawa is got nice and thick and absorbed all the water, and this is the exact consistency that we require. Now to this batter we'll be adding some veggies. I'll be adding some carrot, capsicum, some boiled corns, coriander leaves, little onion, 2 green chilies and little ginger which is finely chopped. Just take a look at the description box below. I have mentioned all the ingredients what I have used in this recipe. These healthy Sooji breakfast pancakes along with the veggies make a good tiffin idea for kids as well. We'll also add some seasoning, half a teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon of cumin or jeera seeds and 1 teaspoon of red chilli flakes. So now once we have added all the veggies and the spices, we'll just give it a quick mix. These Sooji pancakes look so colorful with all these veggies that kids would have it almost every day. So our pancake mix is ready. So now let's fry them. So while the mini uttapam pan is getting hot, to this batter I'll be adding half a teaspoon of Eno and a little water, just a teaspoon of water so that it mixes well. Adding the fruit salt or Eno will make the batter nice light and make the pancakes nice and fluffy. Give it a quick mix and you can see how aerated and light this batter turns up. Now this batter is ready. I'll just grease the mini uttapam pan with very little oil. If you do not have this pan, you can still make this recipe by using a bigger fry pan and add small quantities in 3 or 4 portions on it. I'll put the link for this pan in the description box below, so just in case you would like to purchase it. Just using a deep spoon, add little portion of the batter into the cavities. The depth of this pan is just perfect for these pancakes or for round fried eggs, or also to make mini uttapams in these. Now I'll place a lid over it and let it cook for around 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you will see that it starts getting a little brown from the sides. So I'll sprinkle a little more oil on the top on the edges, and I've kept my flame on medium all through the cooking process. And now after cooking for a minute, I will flip them and cook it on the other side as well. You can use a wooden skewer or a stick also to flip these. Though I'm using a knife to flip these pancakes, it is recommended not to use any sharp objects on these granite pans as it could damage it. So once they all flipped, I'll cook it on the other side and just drizzle a little oil on the sides so the down portion of the pancakes too get fried. So now I will just let it cook for a minute or so and then our pancakes would be ready. There is no need to cover it now. As these pancakes are already cooked, I'll just get it out of the pan. You get good fluffy round pancakes from this pan every time. So our healthy veg Sooji pancakes are getting ready and I will continue frying the rest of it in the same way. You can serve these healthy Sooji pancakes with some South Indian chutneys or even some tomato ketchup. So do try this easy and healthy fluffy Sooji pancake recipe, and do leave your feedbacks in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe to Garfin's Creation for more such lovely recipes. Stay tuned until we meet again. Take care. Bye bye.